So whenever it comes to a Punjabi or a Sindhi dish, I contact my mother-in-law and she gives me a detailed recipe for the same. And today I'm going to make rajma exactly the way she makes because I've just called her and asked her for the recipe. She's given me the entire detailed recipe and I'll try to make rajma just the way she makes it. So hello everyone, my name is Stan and let's get started. Let's begin. So here I soaked 1 cup of red rajma overnight. As you can see, it's oversized. I wanted to use the chitra rajma, the ones that the Punjabis use, but my wife picked up these as she could not find the chitra rajma. Anyways, I'll pressure cook this along with 1 small onion, sliced, ginger, garlic, and salt for taste. Now here my mother-in-law asked me to add a teaspoon of oil which will enhance the taste. Now I'll give it 2 to 3 whistles and in the meantime I'll chop onions and tomatoes. Now the ratio for the onions and tomatoes would be 2:3, that is 2 onions is to 3 tomatoes. Now I love chopping onions fine with a sharp knife, but today I'll use a chopper for 2 reasons. One, it chops effortlessly and it's fun to do this, and 2, it would be lying around unused. Alright, so let's start with the cooking. In a pot, I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil in which I'll be adding 2 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon jeera, that's cumin seeds. And as you can see, it started crackling. We'll add the chopped onions. Can you see it's really chopped fine? Okay, so now we have to fry the onions well until it turns brown. Keep the flame on medium and keep stirring whenever it's required. While the onions are frying, I'll make a tomato puree. So I'll just roughly chop the tomatoes and blend them in a mixer. As you can see, the onions have fried well and now we'll add the tomato puree. Now after adding the tomato puree, we need to fry this well on medium flame until we get rid of the raw taste of the tomato. So just keep stirring well and fry it. It'll take a good 5 to 6 minutes. Once that's done, we'll add in the dried spices. Here goes in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. If you want it spicy, you can add in the red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, that is jeera powder, salt for taste, and let's just mix it well. Now make sure that you religiously fry this masala well until you see the oil separating, because this will add up to the delicious flavor of the rajma. Now this might take around 7 to 8 minutes. Just keep roasting it well. Fry it well on low flame. Once this is done, your boiled rajma is ready to go in. Now just keep the flame low, mix it well, check for salt and let it come to a boil for 4 to 5 minutes. And then you can turn the flame off and garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. Close it with a lid and let it rest for some time before serving. And that's it. So that's it guys, it was that simple to make this rajma. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this video, how you like this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.